Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Union Minister for Women and Child Development, Smriti Irani, has been denying that she had anything to do with Silly Souls Cafe and Bar at Asagaon. It has been now revealed in the information furnished to me by the Food and Drugs Administration that the food and drugs license given to this restaurant, Silly Souls Cafe and Bar at Asagaon, is in the name of 8 All Food and Beverages, a company which is partnered by a company of which Zubin Irani, the husband of Smriti Irani, is a director. It had earlier already been unraveled that the GST number used by Silly Souls Cafe and Bar was in the name of 8 All Food and Beverages, this very same company, which is again another huge evidence. Now it has been also shockingly come to light that that land on which Silly Souls Cafe and Bar is located was leased to this company 8 All January 2021 for rupees 50,000 a month on a 10-year lease. So this lease agreement is now in public domain and has been given to me under the Right to Information Act.